Exciting news for the Atlanta community. Two of the most trusted names in data recovery and phone repairs are joining forces. Secure Data Recovery and LifeLine Repairs are proud to announce their partnership, bringing together their expertise in data recovery and phone repairs to provide the best services to the residents of Atlanta and surrounding areas. Secure Data Recovery is a nationwide leader in data recovery services, with over a decade of experience providing fast and reliable data recovery solutions for individuals, businesses, and government agencies. And now we have partnered with LifeLine Repairs to bring our unparalleled expertise to the local community. Located at 2490 Briarcliff Road Northeast, Suite 50, Atlanta, Georgia 30329, our partnership offers a convenient location for Atlanta residents to drop off their damaged devices. With close access from I-85 and North Druid Hills Road, our location is easy to find with plenty of parking available on site. At Secure Data Recovery and LifeLine Repairs, we provide a wide range of services, including free diagnostics, a no data, no recovery fee policy, and no obligation price quotes. Our experts will use every technique to recover data from your damaged hard drives, phones, SSDs, flash drives, and RAIDs. We are committed to providing best services to our customers with a 96% success rate in data recovery cases. Don't let data loss or a damaged device disrupt your life or your business. Trust the experts at Secure Data Recovery and LifeLine Repairs to provide fast and reliable solutions. Visit our location today or give us a call to get started on your device data recovery.